Hey guys, Zeri Vlogs here, and this is my first video on this channel. And if you don't know, I do have a main channel called Era Gaming where I do my gaming and videos like that. But I thought I'd start a vlogging channel because I've started vlogging more. So tonight is going to be the first episode, and it is bonfire night. We're about to go and see a firework display near my house. So I'm going to take you along with me, and I hope you enjoy. Cover my hair and sort that out. Right. I don't think you can see me right now, but we are here. Guys, we're now back from the firework display, and to be honest with you, well, that's really weird. I actually left exactly an hour ago and was recording the intro exactly an hour ago. Anyway, basically, you know the fireworks I actually showed you? I only actually missed like 2 minutes of the actual fireworks while I was deleting storage, because I actually used up all my storage. So it wasn't the best display, and got a bit boring, to be honest. But I hope you enjoyed it. And with all that said and done, like, subscribe, quit your next. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye!